In this video, we see how to create an incoming payment. Before starting a payment creation, we are login with account user. Enter login credentials here, then click on login button. Here you can see the accounting overview screen is there. In top level submenu, click on payment. Then here you can see the find payment screen is there. After payment creation, you can find your payment with payment ID. Then to create a new payment, click on new payment button. Here you can enter your credentials here, that is here from party ID, amount and effective date. Those three fields are mandatory. Here enter your from party, that is a customer or supplier, that I'm selecting the demo customer. Then there are different payment type is there. You can select your payment type based on your invoice. Then I'm selecting the customer receipt. Then select the payment method ID, then reference number. Those fields are not mandatory. Then override GL account ID. If you want to enter the override GL account ID, then you can find with the lookup also. And if you want to add it or enter it manually, then you can enter. Then amount, then add the command for incoming payment. Then actual currency amount, if you received in different currency, then you can enter your actual currency. Then actual currency UOM ID, it is an currency code. It different from bank currency. There are different USD, INR and etc. Then select the effective date. Here you can select the future date. Just select the previous date or today's date. I'm selecting the 26th June. Then click on create button. Here you can see your payment is created successfully and payment ID is auto generated by the system. Here you can see your payment header, that is a payment type ID, status, reference, amount, effective date, created by user, last modified by user. Then here you can see your financial account transaction. Financial account transaction ID is get created. Then amount, transaction date, your status is created. Here you can see your payment applied. You have just created a payment, that's why opening amount is 500. Once you applied the payment to the invoice, then opening balance will be 0 here until transaction is not get posted. Then update the header section. If you want to update our header section, then you can add. Then enter the reference number here. Here reference number is mandatory. Then click on update section. Here your header is updated successfully. Then click on overview here. Then click on status to received. Here once you click on status to received, your transaction is get posted, that is a bank 1 INR and unapplied receipt. Then after applied the payment against our invoice, that time your second transaction is get posted. Then click on application. Here you can see there are different invoices is there. Just select your invoice. I'm applying the payment against this invoice. Then here enter the date. I'm selecting the now. Then click on apply. Here you can see against this invoice our payment is applied successfully. Then go to an overview, click on overview button. Here you can see your opening balance is 0 and payment applied amount is 500. Your payment ID is there, the invoice. Then amount applied, how much amount you have applied against our invoice, then payment applied date, on which date you are applying the payment. Here status is also changed, status is changed as received. Here you can see your second transaction is get posted after the applied the payment to that invoice. Then here account transaction entry is there, payment applied, here invoice id is there. Against this invoice our payment is applied, then debit credit 500. Then account name is also there. Then click on status to confirm. Here our payment is confirmed against that invoice.